Good day, everyone. I'm Jem Paula Desreyes, and I'm with Mr. Joshua Onyo to represent to perform the activity which is the text mining. And our desire for this activity is to know what is the most complain text process in every data. So we're going to perform the utilities company data, which is the Meralco, and we're going to use the operator read documents. So we have here our complaints. Complaint one, person complaints one. Uh, it's include at more than 20 complaints. So we have here five five person complaints um, data. And then we're just going to connect the
in each text file, uh, it has it has each person on each person complaints has more than 10 comments. So we put all the comments on the forum of their complaints. So we have only 5 persons. And next,
and next we're going to use the operator which is the process document. And then we're going to connect those datas in the process documents, and then we were going to connect it to the process result and then run.
the next step is we click the process documents and um, put the tokenized operator. So, as you can see, we have here non-letters, specify characters, and regular expression, linguistic sentences, and linguistic
Okay.
tokens. So let's try specify character. So okay. So only non letters. So this is the result on we tokenizing the documents. So we have here five complaints. Then this is the result of each word. And the next step is plus, the next step is filter stop words. So, stop words operator. So we use filter stop word English and run. So this is the list. Then the next is transform cases. So to transform, if we want to transform the words to lowercase or uppercase. So we transform it to the words to lowercase. Run. So as you can see, the words here are in lowercase. And the next step is we generate n-grams. So we use terms length 2. So run. So we have here 2 words in each table, each attribute. So the last, let's see what word are the most occurrence on each text files. So as you can see, in their form, it's more on they are talking about more on um, deals on Meralco. So the document occurrences of bill are all in 5 documents. So the total occurrences is 34. So the next step is
And the next step, we'll go back to our process design. And then the operator that we're going to use is clustering. So we will use the k-means and then connect to the process design and then run. For the k-mean, we will use it to find a group which had not been exclaimate labeled in our data. So our k for our clustering is 2 and our max run is 10. And then run. And so we have here our cluster model. Cluster 0, 2 items. Cluster 1, 3 items. And our total number of items is 5. And for the word, okay, for the root for our clustering, we have 1.0, 5.0, and for our cluster, as you can see, we have here our attribute and value for our clustering 0. And then this is the total of the complaints 1. And then for our 5.0 clustering 0, our metadata is a complaint 5. For our clustering 1, we have here 2.0. Let's check what is the metadata file. So our metadata file is complaint 2 for our 2.0. And for our meta file in 3.0, we have here complaints 3. And for the last one cluster in 1, 4.0, our metadata file is complaint 4. So we will proceed to our.
So that's all for our presentation on TextMine.